This is G. Ramesh Kalyan, APCAC, Business College of Technology. The course code and course name is 19 CSP 302 Computer Networks. The topic is data flow. So, as we saw previously, a message is being sent from a sender to a receiver process. So, the data flow is a process by which this message that is being sent from a sender to a receiver using which medium or which mode. So this transmission modes or data flow transmission modes are the mode by which a data is being sent, or else it is used for communication. So we have three types of transmission modes. The first one is simplex mode, half duplex mode, and third one is full duplex mode. So so the simplex mode is so in this simplex mode, the communication is a unidirectional process. That is, a person who is communicating can communicate, and the other person could just listen. They could not reply to whatever that is being said in this. So the data flow is single direction, or it's in one direction. So this device can send the data but not receive it, or it cannot receive the data but cannot send the data, but can send the data. That is, either it can send or else it can receive. So it is called as an unidirectional communication process. So a best example for this is the radio stations. So as we know, the radio stations, they go on communicating, and they play a lot of songs, right? So this is some of the example is a radio station. And next one is this is simplex mode, the diagram of a simplex mode. So we are having the sender system and the receiver system. So the message is sent. So we could see it is a unidirectional process. That is, we have the message has been sent from one system to the other, and it does not, or it cannot, it's not able to receive back the acknowledgement or else any message. So either it can receive or else can send. So it is a unidirectional process. So the main advantage is it can utilize the entire bandwidth. As the communication is once, it can use all the bandwidth. So more data can be transmitted at a single time. So disadvantages, it is unidirectional. So either it can receive or send. Next one is half duplex mode. So in this half duplex mode, transmission is either direction but not simultaneous. So, like the transmission either direction. So so first you can send the data and then it can receive. So in this half duplex channel, the direction can be reversed. So either sending it or reversing it back or receiving it. So the messages flow in both direction but not at the same time, right? So so an example is walkie-talkie. So a person talking at the other end can just talk, and the other person has to wait till this person stops, and after this person stops, the other person can talk. The person could reply for what is saying. So this is the half duplex mode. And the advantage of half duplex mode is the both devices can send and receive the data, and also can utilize the entire bandwidth of communication during the transmission of media as the process, any one process has been carried out, right? And disadvantages, while sending the data, the other has to wait. It causes a delay in sending. So as I said before, the person has to, if a person A has been talking in the walkie-talkie, the other person has to wait till he stops, and once he stops, the other person could talk. So the delay is a main problem or main disadvantage in this half duplex mode. And next one is the full duplex mode. So in full duplex mode, the transmission is being carried out in both the direction. That is, it can send and receive data simultaneously. So it is, so these types of communication is called the bidirectional communication. The data flow is in both the directions. So both the stations can receive and send the message at the simultaneously. So an example is the phone networks. So the latest, the example you could say is the mobile phone. So one could talk, another could reply like simultaneously. It could happen. So the advantage of full duplex mode is both the stations can send and receive data at the same time. And of course, every mode there is a disadvantage. So as the disadvantage, the no proper bandwidth utilization, as the same line is used for sending and receiving data at the same time. So the bandwidth utilization is a big question mark in this process. So as we saw, so in simplex mode, either a data can be sent or received, and in full duplex mode, the data can be sent, another person has to wait, another has to, and after that he can send. Like both sending and receiving data cannot happen at the simultaneously at the same time. That is in half duplex mode. And full duplex mode, both can send and receive the data at the same time. So these are the three transmission modes or else the data flow process. Thank you.